The metaverse is evolving fast, and QR codes are becoming a key bridge between physical and virtual worlds. With QR Code Kit, you can create dynamic QR codes that are fully customizable, trackable, and designed to unlock powerful experiences in both realities. Want to guide users into your virtual spaces instantly? Use the website QR to link to your Metaverse hub, 3D gallery, or blockchain project. Place it on physical signage, AR layers, or even merch. Customize it with your logo, brand colors, and frame, and track how many people scan and from where. Want to create a fully immersive entry point? The landing page QR lets you build a mobile-first, branded experience with videos, maps, schedules, buttons, and more. No coding needed. Want to grow your audience across channels? Use the social media QR to link all your platforms, Discord, X, Instagram, YouTube, in one mobile-optimized page. Customize the page's look to match your brand and track how users are engaging with your content. Got an XR or Metaverse app? Use the App Store QR to automatically direct users to the correct store, Google Play or App Store, based on their device. Want to share files or make connections inside virtual spaces? Use a file QR to let users download documents like white papers, presentations, or digital assets. Want people to get in touch with you? Use a business card QR to share contact info, job titles, websites, and social profiles. Perfect for professional networking in the metaverse.